but ours runs straight through Markate, which is our CRM of choice, and sends it out to everybody. So we did it this morning, and we chose 10 a.m. because it's not too early and it's not too late in the day. So if people want to respond at their lunch hour, if they are on lunch, then they can send us a text and we can get them scheduled while they're on their lunch, because it'll still be on their mind, an hour to 2 hours later. Not much time has gone by, so they'll be able to respond if they don't respond right away. Or they'll message us later in the afternoon, whatever works for them, but it brings in work, and that's what matters.